Hey everyone, we're here. We're starting our new packet, and because we're starting our new packet, I brought someone with me today. Who are you? Let the people know who you are.
Ella.
You gotta take your hands away from your mouth. Ella, yeah. So Ella's gonna help us out here with our lesson number 11. So Ella, let's get into this here and see what we're dealing with. We are gonna be multiplying and dividing with our integers. What do you think of that?
Guide.
That's exciting, I know. Okay, so the main thing here is this is a lot nicer than your addition and your subtraction. Because, Ella, if you remember, when we were adding and subtracting, we didn't know when to trust the addition sign or the subtraction sign. Sometimes we'd see an addition sign and we had to subtract. And sometimes we saw a subtraction sign and we had to add. That was confusing, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Okay, maybe it was or wasn't there. I think a lot of people are like, wait a second. Now we've got that under control. These are much nicer because watch what happens here. If we've got the same signs, it's always positive. Check it out. A positive times a positive is a positive. A negative times a negative is also a positive. So there we go. So if they are the same, all right, it is positive.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. And if they're different signs, the answer is always negative. All right? So if they are different, it's always negative. Let's go back up there. We'll put that. And then, Ella, do you remember what we said? If they're the same signs, it's always positive? Yeah. So let's put the word same that's there. All right, Ella, here we go. Let's jump into this here a little bit. We're going to do negative 3 times 11. Can you tell everyone, first of all, what 3 times 11 is?
33?
Right, it is 33. But what we've got to look at here is, do we have the same signs or different signs? The first number is negative, the second number positive. So that makes them?
The same? Different.
Yes, they're different. And if we look up top here, different signs always gives us a negative. So that's it. That's all we got to look at there. All right, Ella, next one. 4 times 12. Remember, we don't worry about them being negative right now. Just 4 times 12.
48?
Nice! Now, because they are both negatives, they are the same sign, and when they're the same sign, it's always positive. Yes, exactly. So we just put your 48 down. All right. Yeah, let's kind of go through this here a little bit. Let's find some ones that we kind of like. Oh, we're at 12 already. That's too far. That's too far. Let's go after question number 3. All right. Now, in question... Hello, Matthew.
Hi.
All right.
I've been hearing you.
In question number 3, we're using exponents. So let's write it on out. Negative 2 to the 4th power means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. You've got it there, exactly. So let's just break this into pieces. 2 times 2 gives me
There's a black bone.
4. And then...
What is that?
That's the microphone we're talking into. We already went over this. Come on, pay attention. All right. So we've got the same signs, so it has to be positive. We're going to bring down everyone else we haven't used. 4 times a 2, well, that's an 8.
4 times 2, 4 times 2, 4 times 2?
Yes, that's 8. We've got different signs, so it's negative. Here's the thing you got to watch for.
2 plus 2?
No, 2 plus 2 is 4. This is 4 times 2. This is different.
Is this 2 plus 2?
No, it's no, like we just said it. Okay, so the thing here is we don't care about who's larger, who's smaller. With the addition, we had to watch for, hey, what'd you have more of? We don't care about that here. Different signs, always negative, that's there. Let's finish it off. Negative 8 times negative 2. Well, 8 times 2 is a 16. They're both negative, which means the answer is?
4 times positive.
Yes, so we just leave the positive 16 that's there. All right? So, that's it, people. Multiply and divide like normal. Same signs, always positive. Different signs, always negative. Ella, we're done here. Tell everyone goodbye.